Pakistan Air Force now operates 70 cheap Chinese JF-17 fighter jets. The Pakistan Air Force, PAF, operates a total of 70 Pakistan Aeronautical Complex / Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, PAC/CAC, JF-17 Thunder fighter jets, the National Assembly Standing Committee on Defense Production revealed in Islamabad on December 7th, according to local media reports. The PAF now fields about an equal number of JF-17 and U.S. made F-16 multirole fighter aircraft of all variants, after U.S. lawmakers stalled financing for an additional 8 F-16C/D Block 52 fighter aircraft. Pakistan is now mulling the purchase of 8 used F-16s from the Royal Jordanian Air Force. The JF-17, first inducted into the PAF in 2011, is a lightweight, single-engine, multirole combat aircraft, powered by a Russian-designed but Chinese-built Klimov RD-93, or RD-33 derivative, turbofan, capable of reaching a top speed of Mach 1.6. The aircraft allegedly has an operational range of around 1,200 kilometers, 745 miles. In total, the PAF plans to acquire 150 JF-17s over the next years, divided into 3 production blocks: Block I, Block II, and Block III. So far, the PAF has only received Block I and Block II variants of the aircraft. 50 out of the 70 JF-17 in service are of the Block I variant. The PAF last inducted 16 Block II JF-17s in April. As I noted elsewhere, according to the Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Sohail Aman, Pakistan achieved its goal of producing 16 JF-17 Thunder aircraft in 2015 and wants to produce a total number of 24 Block II JF-17 aircraft by the end of 2016. Next to carrying a heavier weapons payload, Block II variants feature a new air-to-air refueling probe, an enhanced oxygen system, and an improved electronic countermeasures system, among other things. Pakistan produces 58% of the airframe and China 42% respectively. Islamabad has the capacity to assemble up to 25 JF-17s per year without Beijing's technical assistance. However, as I noted in April 2015, according to Chinese and Pakistani media reports, China agreed to deliver 110 JF-17s to Pakistan in flyaway condition due to Pakistan's still limited aircraft manufacturing capacity. The JF-17 was originally developed to replace the PAF's aging fleet of Dassault Mirage 3/5 fighter jets by 2020. Pakistan is looking to replace 190 aircraft, primarily Chengdu F-7 and Dassault Mirage 3/5 fighter jets by 2020, presumably with a mixture of F-16 and JF-17 aircraft. Pakistan, however, is also allegedly in talks with Russia over the purchase of Su-35 multi-role fighters, I reported in April. See, China and Pakistan Air Forces launch joint training exercise. China and Pakistan are also developing a combat-capable two-seat trainer variant of the JF-17, which likely will make its maiden flight in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.